against the gravity. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Class 10 and this is our team. We made smart automatic system
It is made on the basis of the accident that was on time of course the railway track. So this is the automatic system. This is in the replace of manual operating system. So sometimes the manual operating system that are run by human that not sometimes become careless or fall asleep. So how? So by to prevent this, we made this. When a train cross 1 kilometer area, sensor will detect and the bottle will start producing sound. Then the car will stop and the barrier will start closing. And the car will also stop. And then the train again pass the 1 kilometer area after this barrier. Then the bottle will detect bottle will again sound the barrier. By this way, it will work and we can save human lives. After the crossing train, again the sensor will detect, again bottle will sound and this will detect the car and by this way we save
Accident not occurred. So the main aim of this project to reduce car accident in hill areas and driving awareness.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. We are students of class 7. Today we will demonstrate our science project. Now explain how my body works. When a car enters the washing center, it washes the car and the wastewater is collected there and it removes sand particles and mud from the water and clean water is collected there and the clean water is reusing through the pipes and wash the car. The main motto of this project is to save water.
Good morning, miss. We are the student of class 7 here to represent our model. My model is smart bridge that work on the principle of pulley system. When the ship pass from there, then the bridge open from the middle and make the path to go the bridge. Go the ship and then it close and make the path for the vehicles. It commonly used on the rivers and canals. Thank you.
It is an earthquake alarm clock. When the earthquake begins to shake, it alerts people by the buzzer. All the people are alerted and will move to the safer place to reduce the injuries. And here it is a simple circuit. When this copper string touches the copper wire, it will sound. It will send signal to the buzzer and buzzer will sound and alert people about the earthquake has begun.
And make the path for the vehicles.
This is our project, Energy Efficient Smart City, based on advanced technology which will come in the future. This is wireless car charging system which will charge without any type of wire, as we know that electric cars will come in future. Here you can see it glows wirelessly. We use transistor and resistor to make a magnetic field so that it will charge. And this is our second project, Smart Tester. It produces sound.
Good morning, this is Ankit from class 9 with my teammates. This is automatic water dispenser. We have made this is a very simple concept. There we have you can see blades, battery and a switch. When we will put this is automatic. We have applied underneath water motor and it is connected with the pipe. Here you can see this tube and when we will just put this, the circuit's complete. We have put the blades in a curved way. That is why blades do not touch each other. When the blades touch each other. When we will put this, the brain touch each other, so the circuits gets completed and this project starts working. Thank you.
I am going to tell you about parts of a plant. A plant has 5 major roots and flowers root. The root grow under the soil. The stem above the ground. Leaves are green and the plant. Pointing of the sun at the center. 8 planets. The sun is a hot planet towards light and heat. The planets in our Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is the smallest planet close to the sun. Mercury takes 8 days to revolve around the sun. Mercury is 47.9 billion kilometers far away from the sun. Venus is the hottest planet. Venus takes 225 days to revolve around the sun. Uranus is 108.2 billion kilometers from the sun. Earth is known as our home planet, supporting life with water and oxygen. Earth takes 225 days to revolve around the sun. Earth is 149.6 million kilometers far away from the sun. Mars is known as the red planet. Mars takes 687 days to revolve around the sun. Mars is 227.69 kilometers far away from the sun. Jupiter is the largest planet. In the solar
We will come out from there and the smoke will come in here. Here we have applied cotton which will purify it. And then we will open it and then on it through water motor. The smoke will come here and the smoke will be purified. And there we have the water dispenser. Then we will put this, the water will automatically start coming because the circuits complete there. It is simple. We could also use it at our home. This is very simple concept. Nothing.
Good morning, welcome. Myself Prasad from Sundar 9, and this is our very important project air purifier, because nowadays you can see the biggest problem is the air pollution in our environment, and this is our project that can clean all the suspended particles, carbon monoxide, CO2 from the air and gives fresh air. Now we will explain
The particles come in this pipe in the filtration chamber. It gets filtered. The suspended matter comes in the lime water and lime water is the bottom, and the fresh air comes here.
Now you can see with an example. You can see in rainy days, when rain takes place, all the dust particles settle down and the air will come inside from that particular area, and with the help of water it will settle down all, you can see, with the help of water, or it will settle all the dust particle, carbon, SPM, all the other particles in the filtration chamber, and gives the fresh air from that side, clean and fresh air from that particular area.
Kill bacteria and fungi and enhance the sleep quality.
Thank you.
Also often refers to as the king of hair or hair stars, and there are many benefits of hair stars. It is termed as dandruff, reduced hair
Savita ma'am. Again transformed as the adult. This process is again and again. And therefore, and their presence make them contribute to the state. Thank
Hello. What's your name? Samriddhi. What is this? Can you tell me about it?
popcorn experiment.
Okay. Can you explain about that? Please explain.
Then I put some popcorn in a glass. Look, the popcorn goes up and down. It looks like dancing popcorn. This happens because the bubbles made in water. The bubbles push the popcorn up. When the bubble breaks, the popcorn comes down. That is all. It looks like dancing popcorn.
Okay. Where in which class? Class 4. Good. Great.
Korean. My name is Harika Kumari. And we are the students of the class 3. Our model name is Layers of Earth. The earth is like an onion with 4 layers. Upper layer with thin rocky crust fully on. Under the crust, there is a thick layer of hot semi-solid rock which called mantle. Under the mantle, a very hot liquid layer made of iron and nickel called outer core. At the center of the earth, there is a solid ball which hotter than the surface of the sun. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Shivanshi Kumari from Standard 4. My model name is Solar and Wind Energy. Solar and Wind Energy. Working model. Solar is working by sun. Solar is used for charging battery of wind of light. Solar. These are the solar panels. There are suns sprung when sunlight heats them. It's wake up tiny particles called electron inside the panel. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Pratik Kumar from Standard 4. This is sun. It gives a plant heat and light and chlorophyll to absorb sunlight. Human beings breathe out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide takes plant to make on food. Leaves make on food with help of minerals, water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. After making their food, plant release oxygen. This oxygen take human beings up. So we say through this project, grow more plants in your home, surrounding and areas and remove pollution in air time.
My name is Megha Kumari and my name is Shivani Kumari and we are the students of class 4 and my experiment name is experiment was glass jar and water balloon. So you can see ready. And when this, it will go inside suddenly. It happens because inside here it becomes hot, and after when we put the balloon, it becomes cool. And this is the power of air pressure. Thank you. Sorry. My name is Ismita Kumari. My name is Tanu Kumari. My name is Apushma. My name is Deva. We are the students of class 3, and our model name is seed germination. Seed germination. Seed germination is the process where a seed wake up and grow from dormancy and growing into a new plant. It requires water, sunlight, and air to begin. The process involves the seed swelling, breaking its cord, and growing into a new plant. It radical downwards and grow into a shoot plug upwards. In step 1, absorption of water. In step 2, breaking the seed cord. In step 3, root emergence called radical. In step 4, shoot growth called plug. In step 5, seedling development, and it started making its own food. Thank you. My name is Arif Kumar. My name is Tana Gupta. My name is Kartik Lord. My name is Ankit Kumar. We are students of class 2. We are presenting experiment of water refraction. Refraction means bending of lights. When light is through or water is called reflection. Tell them to see. Tell them to see. Ma'am, can you come and see? Ma'am, can you come and see? Class उठा के दिखाइए. Water. Take it out. When we put calcium in a glass of water, it looks bent. This happens because of reflection. Reflection happens when light change direction. Can you see? Ma'am, look at the downside. Look at the glass. Look at the glass.
ऐसे करके दिखो. Good.
This is a glass of water. I get some soda in the glass. Then I put some popcorn in the glass. Look, the popcorn goes up and down. It looks like dancing popcorn. These are because the bubbles made in water. The bubble pulls the popcorn up. When the bubble breaks, the popcorn comes down. That is why it looks like dancing popcorn. Thank you. Today I will show a bouncing egg experiment. This is an egg. The egg has a hard shell. We put the egg in a glass. We pour vinegar into the glass. Leave it for 2 days. After 2 days, the shell is soft. The egg is like a rubber ball. When we drop it gently, it bounces. This happens because vinegar makes the shell soft. Pour water in the glass and add turmeric powder. After mix turmeric powder. Wow, this is yellow color. And add this lemon tree powder and mix. Wow, this is red color. Add lemon.
Squeeze it properly. Tightly. Press it properly.
color.
Okay. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
I'm going to tell you about parts of plant. A plant has 5 main parts: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. Root. The root grow under the soil. Stem. The stem above the ground. Leaves are green and are food for the plant. Flower. The flower is the beautiful parts of the plant. Fruit. The fruit grow from the flower. Fruit have seed inside. Thank you. Good morning. We are the student of class 2. My name is Rishabh Kumar. Today I am presenting my project volcano. Volcano is a big mountain. It had a lava. When pressure builds inside the earth, magma rises up. Finally, it comes and throws out the lava, and it produces smoke and dust. Thank you.
Very good. Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Far away from the sun. Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus takes 84.1 Earth years to revolve around the sun. Uranus is 2.87 billion kilometers far away from the sun. Neptune. It is farthest planet known for its deep blue color and light speed. Neptune takes 164.79 Earth years to revolve around the sun. Neptune is 4.50 billion kilometers far away from the sun. Thank you, ma'am.
Ito sana untuk mengasah diri kamu di sini memang. Masih kan betul.
Blood in our body.
This is well, car washing, this is farm, this is garden, this is RO, this is basin and this is water tank. The stored water goes into that is pond and then the water tanks water goes into basin and RO waste water goes into garden.
हमारे गाँव का उन्नति को देखने में ये है मंजिलें होने की मूर्ति है मंजिलें होने की मूर्ति है जिनके सपने में जान होती है मंजिलें होने की मूर्ति है जिनके सपने में जान होती है
And dirty water come out from factory.
तो हमारे सभी बच्चे बिल्कुल
With the help of water pump and purifying chambers. First big gravel, second small gravel, third coal, fourth sand, fifth tissue paper. And this is the purified water, and purified water is going to home with the help of water pipeline. Thank you. Good morning, dear parents, teachers, and director and director sir. This is my model on landforms of Earth. Earth has different shapes made by the nature, and I have shown 6 main ones: mountain, the forest, river, plateau, desert, island. A mountain, it is very tall, straight snow on top like Mount Everest. Plateau, it is flat highland. Forest, it is full of trees. Island, it is a land surrounded all around by water. Desert, it is dry and very sandy. River, it starts from the mountain and give water to lands and people. They connect that the mountain make river self forest and plains. I made it with simple stuff and really enjoyed it. Thank you. My name is Sonamdar, standard 4. My experiment name is walking water. This is usually yellow and red. Put yellow in one glass and blue in another. The walking water will meet in another normal glass.
Thank you.
My name is Yamita and I and I am from standard 4. This is my model named rainwater harvesting. First it will be rain. First it will be rain. And after that it will go in this filter. After that it will go in this tank. And after that it will go and it will go in this field and we will water it, and from this process only we can grow more and more plants, vegetables and fruits. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Satyam Hassan. I am Divyansh Kumar. I am Aditya Raj.
My name is Amrita.
Our model's name is Day and Night. Day and night occur because the earth rotates. It is the day on the part of the earth where the sun's ray falls and the half of the earth facing away from the sun is in night. It takes 24 hours to complete one full rotation to create a full day and night cycle. Thank you.
पृथ्वी के साथ पृथ्वी सूर्य की ग्रह है। पृथ्वी साथ साथ घूमती है तो सूरज भी साथ साथ घूमती रहती है। तो जो सूर्य के सामने पृथ्वी जाती है तो दिन होता है, और तो जो रात होता है वहाँ जो सूर्य की पृथ्वी अपने अति पे जाती है तो नाइट होती है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Good morning to all. We are the students of class 6 from Tennis Public School, and we are here to signify our project, which is the Aravalli Ranges. I hope you will understand the significance of 1.8 to 3.2 billion years old mountains. The Aravallis are not just a pile of rock, but the lifeline of whole Rajasthan and the animal species who live there. First of all, let me tell you where the Aravalli is located. The Aravalli starts from the Gujarat, passing through Rajasthan, Haryana and ends at Delhi. But do you know what will happen if the Aravalli is cut off? First, let me tell you the major definition of the Supreme Court that was launched on November 2025. It says that if a mountain is less than 100 meters from the nearby landscape, it will not considered as a mountain and came out from the protection and leading to many activities like mining. But 91.3% of the Aravallis do not qualify this rule. Only 8.7%, which is out of 12,081 mountains, only 1,048 mountains qualifies this rule. Many experts have warned this matter because even low-lying Aravallis act as the wind barriers for the Thar Desert. Now let's see how it affects. First, let me tell you how it stops the wind barriers from the Thar Desert to come. As the sand is going there, but the Aravalli stops the sand to go to agriculture. Please, can you stop it for a while? Can you stop it for a while? So let's see how the Aravalli stops the Thar Desert to take place on the agriculture. This is the wind. Suppose this is the wind, and this Thar Desert sand stops the Aravalli stops the Thar Desert to come there. But if you cut the Aravallis, as you can see, the many sands are going there, and if any storms came, then it will take place the agriculture. So it is one of the benefits of Aravalli that it stops the Thar Desert. So for more benefits, I would like to invite my team members to come and say some benefits of the Aravalli.
Water sources, recharge groundwater and river.
Flood control reduces flood risks by absorbing rainwater.
Medical plants, rich sources of Ayurvedic herbs.
Mineral sources, it is rich in minerals like granites and marbles. Carbon sink absorb CO2 mediating climate change. Biodiversity hotspot, home to diverse flora and fauna.
Livelihood supports supports garden forestry and
actually more than this. But there are many laws of India that after the Aravali is cutted. So let's see what are their laws. Laws of India when Aravali is removed. Loss of traditional knowledge as forests shrink and practices losses.
Landslide increased risks in areas.
Biodiversity loss. Species like leopard and vulture endangered. Pollution, air and water pollution from industries and mining.
Mining impact, degradation due to marble stone mining.
So, as you have heard the many laws, so I just want to say, if the Aravali is cut, the desert will move forward. But if we will be saving it, India's future will move forward. The Aravali is protected for billions of years. Now it's our time to protect it. Thank you so much.
This is our model water management. This is rainwater. This is well. This is car washing. This is farm, pond, garden, RO, and this is bathroom, and this is basin. This is water tank. The stored rainwater goes into well. Well's water goes into car washing, and car waters go into farm. And tank's water goes into basin. Basin's water goes into bathroom, and RO's wastage water goes into garden.
Good morning. We can say that different types of art
Good morning, miss. This is a model of water purifier. This is a factory, and with the factory dirty water come out. So we will purify the water with the help of water pump and also 5 chambers. First, big gravel. Second, small gravel. Third, coal. Fourth, sand. Fifth, tissue paper. And this is a purified water. And purified water, the amount go in water pipe with houses. My name is Ashutosh Kumar. This is my model on landforms of Earth. Earth has different shapes made by the nature, and I have shown 6 main ones: mountain, river, plateau, desert, island, and forest. Mountain, it is very tall, with the snow on top like Mount Everest. Plateau, it is flat, highland. Desert, it is dry and very sandy. Island, it is the land surrounded all around by water. Forest, it is full of trees. River, it starts from the mountain and give water to lands and people. That they connect that the mountain makes rivers have forest and plain. I made it simple stuff and really enjoyed. Thank you.
Good morning to all. It's our standard set from Canis Public School, Kusher. This is our project, Energy Efficient Smart City. Our main concept is solar tracking system. This will track the rays of the sun, as we know that at morning and evening time it produces less energy compared to noon time. So this will track the rays of the sun every time and produces more energy. And this is our second project, wireless car charging system. We know that wireless cars are the future, so we made this to charge them. And this is our third project, smart dustbin. We know that when the dustbin is full, after that people keep throwing in them, and it keeps smelling for a long time. This may cause harm to the surrounding. So this project makes alarm so that people would get aware about that.
And we know that how essential is oxygen for us, but we should also know that how dangerous is carbon dioxide for us. So when at a particular place carbon dioxide will become more, then it can cause greenhouse effect. So we made this. This is the carbon absorber. There we have this is the purifier, and from there the way the good air goes above. So there we will burn the any product, and from there the smoke will come out, and there we have wet cotton. From wet cotton it will be purified, and from there the smoke goes out.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ananya Kumari. Today I Second, it transforms into a caterpillar that eats leaves and grows. Third, it's converted into pupa as a protective shell. It's again transformed into a butterfly as a fourth step, and that their presence make the environment beautiful and clean. Thank you.
This is the model of layer of atmosphere. This is our Earth and it is surrounded by 5 layers. First, troposphere, second, stratosphere, third, mesosphere, fourth, thermosphere, and the last, exosphere. Now I am going to tell about each layer. Troposphere, it's the weather layer where almost all cloud and rain happen. Stratosphere, home to ozone layer which act like the Earth's sunscreen. Mesosphere, the shield where all asteroid meteors burn up. Thermosphere, where the International Space Station ISS orbits and the colorful auroras dance. Exosphere, the fringe of the space where the air is so thin the molecules can float away. Thank you.
Good morning. Water pollution is contamination of water body like river, land, and oceans by harmful substances such as chemicals, plastic, and waste. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is our model origin of life. So first life microorganisms, then small sea creature, then fish, then first land animal, reptile, then mammal, then now this fish.
Good morning everyone. We are here to explain how does day-night occur. Day and night occur because the earth rotates. It is the day on the part of the earth where the sun's rays fall and the half of the earth facing away from the sun is in night. It takes 24 hours to complete one full rotation to create a full day and night cycle. Thank you.
पृथ्वी सूर्य की परिक्रमा करती है और प्रकृति के साथ खुद घूमती रहती है और तो जो भाग सूर्य के सामने होता है वहाँ पे दिन होता है, तो जो भाग सूर्य के सामने नहीं होता है वहाँ पे रात होता है। पूरी परिक्रमा करने में 1 साल लग जाता है। धन्यवाद।
देखिए अपनी दूरी पर घूमने की वजह से दिन और रात की प्रक्रिया को दर्शाता है। अब एक काम करना पड़ेगा।
Hello everyone, my name is Samya and this is my team. And today we are talking about a live-feed model, electric pole alarm. And now Saurav will tell what are the mechanisms of this model.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone who are present here. I am Saurav Raj of Standard 6, here to present the mechanism of electric pole alarm. My friend will show what is the mechanism of it. Here we have formed two poles which includes main wire which has electrical energy with the help of battery, and we have two buzzers which have been connected to the small plastic box. This plastic box has water with salt which improves the conductivity of water, and when we drop the wire it will give the warning. Thank you.
And now my friend Ashish will tell what are the advantages of this model.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Ashish Raj from Standard 6. Here to tell you about the advantage of electric pole alarm. The advantage of electric pole alarm, like it saves electric shocks, it saves human's life, it saves the heads off, and it is very useful in rainy season. Thank you. And now my friend I will say what are the disadvantage of this model. If not, it comes in huge.
Good morning all of you. My name is Saju. Today I am talking about disadvantage of not using our project. It is a safety system for electric pole alarm. Human way. Thank you.
कौन पानी रखा है पानी कौन
हेलो हेलो
कहिए से तो बोतल उखाड़ देंगे।
कनेक्ट करके बैठ में था कर सब ओके पर स्लो है ये के धागा खुला आप जब भी उसके बारे में explain करें और that you just like a region you are speaking, you have to demonstrate. For example, it is the sunrise, so we have to put our finger over here. We have to indicate that. दिखाना है हमें. ये नहीं कि बस रखना शुरू कर दिया that is here is for no. It is here for the judgment. So in that way you can say good morning sir, good morning ma'am. But some of you are using good morning teachers. So apart from the teachers, the parents are also coming today for watching your model. So in spite of the good morning teacher, you have to keep listening very carefully. You have to maintain a discipline. Teachers, teach a parent from the professionals who are appointed for the particular project. For the rest of the within 20 minutes, we are going to grab this program. So after that, we are just waiting for Sir and Plan. They will come. Then after we will start.
Water